Right, I'm going to show you how to fix a printer with a crowbar. Right, so we have to turn it on like that, and it's starting to take a minute or two to come on, as you know. So we've just got to wait for it to sort itself out, haven't we? Slow things, aren't they? Eh? Right, so we turn it on. Now remember, by the way, I've had what, 3 or 4 goes at this now. There we are. Right, it says ink out. So you press the ink out button. And now you can take the cartridges out. So we take the cartridges out. Like that. There we are. And now we're ready to start. Oh, hang on, I need a bigger crowbar. So what we do, you shut that up, and you get your crowbar. There we are. Now that's fixed it from ever giving me grief again. Eh? Hasn't it? Right. I'll now explain what we've done and why. Right. I've had this cartridge out a few times. You know, the bit in the bottom. I've took it to bits 3 or 4 times. Now the last time I thought I'd try carb cleaner. So I wasted about a quarter turn carb cleaner. I've dried my hands out. I don't know if you can see, got a big crack in my thumb, really painful that is. I've still got some ink on me. So what happened was, took it out, I'm out of ink. Now remember, I was given this printer and loads of ink for quite a few years ago. So I've got some cartridges left, so I tried them, and I tried a different one, and it went in alright, but the printer didn't accept it. So I thought I'll fill it with a different colour. Doesn't matter, you know, we're not printing photographs out. So I got a different colour. I've got ink all over my hands, tried it, that's not the one, but I tried it, took it off, made a little funnel, filled it up, still didn't work. Right, so enough's enough, eh? So the thing is now, just remember, yes, I could have bought a new, better unplug it before it catches fire, and I could have bought a new cartridge in that, but before I spend any money, look, next time I want to print anything, it's going to be in 6 months, a year's time. I'm going to have the same trouble all over again, when all I've got to do is email me page that I want printing to my mate, and he posts it back. You know, it's simple, isn't it? Or take it to one of my other mates. So there we are. That's how you fix a printer with a crowbar, so it doesn't give you any more grief. Right, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed the fun. Cheers.